Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download Coinbase on iPhone in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to ensure of is that you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data network. After you've ensured that, you can head over to the settings on your device to ensure that your iOS version is up to date. Head over to General, hit About, and make sure that your iOS version is at least 15.1 or later. This phone's iOS version is 26.4.2, so we're good to go. Head over to the app drawer, tap on the App Store, and then in the search bar, simply look for Coinbase. And then tap on the search icon on your keyboard, and then tap on Download right next to Coinbase. Make sure that tap on Download. Make sure that you have logged in to the App Store with your Apple ID. If not, then the App Store will redirect you to log in using your Apple ID, in which you'll have to enter your credentials and verify your identity before you try to download any app from the App Store. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.